Well, here we are, the morning of Monday the 13th of February. We've been at it just a little over a week and we've made some major changes. Here you can see that the scrubber system is getting into place. On the top of the reactor, you can see we've extended the walkway. This will encompass the two corners where we're going to put the flares. We've got the main fuel tank. It's been raised way up there, out of harm's way. It's being made secure just now. The pipework is significantly reduced by a little bit of imagination. So this transfer pump takes fuel from these two collecting tanks, which now have vents on them. The vent goes up to the roof past the fuel tank. We've braced the walkways around the condensers because they were in a shocking state. The whole thing was wobble wobbly. It's now rock solid. This pipe is as originally intended, however we've changed the valving arrangement, brought it up to the pump here, and the pump will go to the empty end of the T, will go to the fuel tank up there. And this has been lifted off the floor to run along the side, and we have the facility down here to accept fuel from another source. We've changed the system down here so that these tanks will now become sand filters, and we're going to be putting inside them DN300 pipe to separate the sand from the finished liquid, and we'll be putting in there some sintered steel, and that pump now picks up from down here and allows us to take in fuel or deliver fuel. And the pump sits there. That's all wired up now. These two pipes there are now going to become vents, and this former filtration device is now becoming a storage tank. This container is going to be moved to this position where I'm standing, and that becomes the main receiver of the fuel. We've got mountains of pipe left over and fittings from the reduction in the unnecessary pipe work. But over this side here, we have improved the pipe work around the condensers so that they can isolate a condenser to chase out any blockage. The stairs have been taken away and replaced with compliant stairs, and we have the sludge pipe here which runs along the bottom so that we can drain the sludge away from the condensers. And there's the bracing we've put at this end. We've also tied together the walkway at the top with the main walkway, with this walkway here. So that means that we've got a proper two-way fire escape, and this step ladder is coming away onto a double step coming to a landing which they're assembling at the moment, into which there will be another pump put for filling the system from on high. So we've now got the extended walkway up there. So the steps will come down to this fellow here with the 90-degree turn down onto the ground, and the pump